pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. I've been in this company now, I think it's my 10th day, and I just want to log in and show you from my two accounts, my earnings in 11 days. You guys ready? And boom, you guys see that? So in 10 days, I've earned $100,000. That's $10,000 per day, guys. This is absolutely madness. I have never in my whole life have earned so much money in such a short period of time, and I haven't even recruited, you know, an amazing number of people. Only 98 members on this account. This doesn't excite you guys or inspire you, then I don't know what does. If you're in business or you want to be an entrepreneur and you want to make money online and you want to be your own boss and live the life at your own terms, and if this doesn't excite you guys, I've started this 10 days ago. Not a month ago, not 3 months ago, not 6 months ago, but only 10 days ago. So if you're sitting on the fence, if you heard all the buzz and you think, oh, this might be a scam or whatever, the money is coming into my bank account. We own the wallets, not the owner. There are no owners. Okay, this runs completely safe inside the Ethereum blockchain. It's a smart contract and it runs inside the Ethereum blockchain. Get involved now. This is hot. A lot of people are joining this. Guys, I made over $183,000 in 10 days. It's just crazy. So I hope this somehow inspires you. I'm not here to brag or anything like that. I just want to inspire you. If I can do this, so can you. If you focus here, if you really focus here, you can do this as well.
10,000 a day is mind-blowing, right? But there's always a but. That was built with a downline of 93 people. There is no way on this earth, Jeremy, that I'm going to bring in 93 people. So forget it, I'm not interested. That's what most people will say when they first see this video. But let me show you how you can fail and still make money with this system. Let's say that you did 50% of this. That's 5,000 a day with a team of 46. But again, you're going to say to me, Jeremy, I can't bring in 46. So let's cut it down even further. Let's say you only achieve 25% of this. That's still 2,500 a day with a team of 23. But I can hear it now. Jeremy, I can't build a team of 23. Well, let's go really conservative and say that you fail by 95% and you only achieve 5% of this. That's still $500 a day with a team of just 5. But Jeremy, I can't bring in 5. Okay, let's say you fail by 99% and you only achieve 1% of this. That's a team of 1, could be a potential of $100 per day. Failing by 99% could bring you in $3,000 every month. But let's say that you failed by 100%. Some people in our team have actually made money without recruiting a single person. You need to position yourself in the right team. I'm going to show you a short video of one of our team members that made money without recruiting a single person.
Okay, you mean to tell me I just earned that much from, and I didn't even promote anything yet?
Yeah, that's why you need to tell people about it. I've been telling people.
What?
Money is just coming in.
This is crazy. Okay, I'm glad I positioned myself.
You need to position yourself in the right team, and that team is ours. And I love this. Your goals should scare you a little and excite you a lot. And as Richard Branson once said, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you're not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Say yes to us, come and join our team. We will do our best to help you build your team so that you can achieve your goals. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. This is truly mind-blowing. Bye now.